The Protect Meter Carbon Monoxide Detector is an essential device for keeping your home, hotel room, or RV safe from the dangers of carbon monoxide poisoning. This plug-in CO detector operates on 100 to 220 volts AC power, ensuring reliable performance without the need for frequent battery changes. Its portable design makes it easy to take anywhere, providing peace of mind whether you're at home or traveling. One of its standout features is the digital LCD display, which provides real-time CO concentration levels. This allows you to monitor the air quality in your space at a glance, ensuring immediate awareness if carbon monoxide levels begin to rise. The alarm system is loud and effective, alerting you and your family in case of danger. This detector is designed for easy installation. Just plug it into any standard wall outlet, and it starts monitoring immediately. It's a perfect solution for homeowners, renters, and frequent travelers looking for an extra layer of safety. The device is built with high-precision sensors, ensuring accurate readings and quick response times. Whether you're using it in your bedroom, kitchen, RV, or hotel room, this CO detector is an important safeguard against this invisible threat. Safety should never be overlooked, and having a reliable CO detector can be life-saving. If you're looking for a high-quality, easy-to-use, and portable CO monitor, this is an excellent choice. If you want to get one for yourself, check out the link in the description below and stay protected wherever you go.